How I make white rice higher in fiber and protein. White rice is a staple in millions of homes, but did you know you can transform it into a fiber and protein-rich powerhouse? Today, I'll show you how to upgrade your rice without changing your culture or comfort. Point 1. The problem with plain rice. Traditional white rice is delicious, but it's low in fiber and protein. That means it spikes blood sugar quickly and leaves you hungry soon after. Point 2. The simple upgrade. Here's my trick. Cook rice with lentils or quinoa mixed in. For every cup of rice, add half a cup of lentils or quinoa. This doubles the fiber and adds plant-based protein without losing the familiar taste. Point 3. Flavor and practicality. Boost flavor with garlic, herbs, or a dash of olive oil. The texture stays fluffy and you'll feel fuller for longer. It's a small change with a big impact. If you love rice but want steady energy and better nutrition, try this upgrade today. Share your version in the comments. I'd love to see how you make rice healthier in your kitchen.